Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Australia is looking for methods to revive its economy and provide international employees a chance to work in prestigious sectors. When you move as a migrant, it may be challenging to find high-paying jobs in Australia. However, with a little study, the correct plan, and knowledge, you can land your ideal career in Australia and speed up your adjustment to a new country. Australia needs workers to fill the gaps and strengthen its economy because there is a severe lack of skilled workers in several professional categories. We'll talk about 8 in-demand careers in Australia in this video to give you an idea of the employment possibilities in Australia. 1. Registered nurse. The contribution that nurses provide to society cannot be replaced, yet since the COVID-19 pandemic, the world has struggled with a severe shortage of qualified nurses, and Australia is no different. A registered nurse offers patients and their families medical aid as well as emotional support. In Australia, demand for registered nurses and other medical personnel is anticipated to rise in the future years. Australia might provide you with a thriving career choice with lots of job openings in this field if you are pursuing your nursing studies. 2. Software and application developers. Software and application developers are among the most in-demand occupations in Australia. Due to the rapidly changing nature of technology, Australian businesses struggle to find qualified web developers and software engineers who can put out their best efforts and advance the economy of the country. 3. Construction workers. Skilled immigrants won't have to work hard to get work in Australia because there are more than 100,000 job openings for construction workers in Australia. By 2029, the need for construction employees is anticipated to grow substantially faster than normal, providing applicants with a secure future. Qualified candidates will receive enticing compensation packages for this position. 4. Early childhood teachers. In Australia, there are several childcare options, such as long day care, family daycare, and in-home care facilities. There is a significant and expanding need for skilled applicants who can assume the role of early childhood teachers and educators since over 1.3 million children use early learning programs. In order to meet the need in the early childhood and childcare sector, Australia is looking for over 16,000 additional instructors. 5. Chef. Australian citizens like working as cooks since the entry-level pay for the position starts at $56,000. A chef is one of the high-demand occupations in Australia, according to the federal government's most recent lists of skill priorities, and many restaurants are encouraging skilled chefs to fill these roles. 6. Electricians. The National Electrical Contractors Association, NECA, predicts that electrical contractors will be able to find lucrative employment in Australia. The fact that Australia needs roughly 12,500 competent electricians for large-scale energy projects is great news for all qualified foreigners who want to relocate to Australia. 7. ICT Business and System Analysts. Business and system analysts in the ICT sector are in high demand in Australia. In many industries, there is a growing need for transformation and digitization, which has increased the demand for ICT specialists in the Australian labour market. A bright future is predicted by the sector's significant job development, which calls for a large number of IT graduates to address the country's acute IT skills deficit. It is anticipated that this deficit will persist for at least the next 5 years. 8. Civil engineers. Numerous skilled civil engineers who can boost the nation's economy are needed for infrastructure and growth in Australia. Civil engineers are in low supply, and it will take some time to fill these openings. Now is the ideal moment to apply for a job in Australia if you are a licensed and experienced civil engineer. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.